Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are we all doing today? Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Young Cho. What's up, Chosen One? What's up, Robert? What's up, Redbeard? Good morning, everyone. Noti Gang, thank y'all for having your notifications on. Let's go. What's up, Cave Trader? What up, what up, what up? So we had a massive sell-off this morning. Look at this. 400 points. Pretty big. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, it looked like we were trying to make a reversal, but it looks like it's coming back down. We'll see. But yeah, guys, we're on a 3-day losing streak. It's okay. We lost 400 on Friday. We lost like 180 or 90 on Monday. We lost 300 yesterday. But it's okay. We still have $1,100 left. Good morning, Perp. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Money Dash? Good morning, man. Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful Wednesday. And then we have unemployment tomorrow, and then we have CPI on Friday, so we might got some big moves. Good morning, Salim. Good morning, good morning. Cave Trader, yeah. Yeah, somewhat tricky price action as well, but we got some decent movement today, which is good. Instead of like that weird price action yesterday. Yesterday was like very tricky. What's up, Kev? Good morning, man. Dude, it feels good to say good morning. Good morning. Alright, kind of coming up here again. So, I've been kind of getting wrecked on the breakouts. Some breakouts work, but most of the time recently is I've been getting in at the wrong time. And that's what I'm learning and adjusting right now. You gotta adapt to different market conditions. So we should be entering on the pullbacks and not the breakouts at the moment. For me. We'll see. But that's what I've been noticing. Nice, AKM. Let's go. Great job, man. Congratulations. Yeah, those Lucid Flex accounts are nice. Yeah, I like the Flex accounts. People like the Pro and the Black plan, but I've been looking at the rules. I kind of like the Flex better, honestly. So I got 5 Flex challenges going. Because you just need 50% consistency in the challenge, and then you can make, there's no consistency rule in the funded, which is what matters. So you can pass in 2 days if you really wanted. And on the Black plan and the Pro plan, there's a 40% consistency rule in the funded. So I'm like, no. Nah, I don't want to do that. Hey, Day, if you won and you got a payout, man, that's a win, man. Congratulations. Even though you lost on your second set, it's okay. You still got a payout locked in. That's a win. That's what I like with other firms. Like if you do good on one group or the other group, and you get a payout, you're kind of up overall. What's up, FL? Good morning, man. Doing good, Tradion. How you doing, man? Good morning. Hey, glad I help out AKM. It means a lot, man. Yeah, it's good that we're all learning and getting better together. I like that. But yeah, guys, if you haven't joined our Discord, we have a free Discord community. We're like 1,130 members now. Yeah, we're over 1,100 now, so pretty nice. And we're all growing one day at a time, getting better. So when I'm not streaming, you guys can chat, talk, ask questions. We all help each other get better. That's like literally the whole point. And it's free. Same with the live streams. We're free. Hey, join my paid monthly Discord. Link in my bio. What's up, Skux Deluxe? Rex, it might be a trade copier issue. What trade copier are you using? Some trade copiers, there'll be like little glitches and stuff like that. Yeah, what up, internet? Good morning, man. Yeah, we had a pretty big sell-off, and these are big candles. Like, this one is... Guys, this candle right here is 130 points. Yeah. Crazy. Right on, Tradion. Yeah, keep it rolling, man. Yep. Yeah, Skux, look, it's okay, man. It happens. It's part of trading. You just gotta learn from it, move on. Don't dwell on it too much. Don't get angry at yourself. Don't beat yourself up. Just learn from it and move on, and become better from it. That's how you win. You gotta be a good loser, man. Good morning, Suv. Rex, maybe it just didn't fill, because sometimes you'll do like a partial fill. Depends. But if you're doing market orders, they should all fill, honestly. But if it's like a buy or sell order, yeah, it could have, like, some might not fill sometimes. But if you're doing market orders, they should be filling on all, Rex. Yeah, Money Dash, it happens, man. I blew batches of 500 accounts before numerous times. It happens. It's part of the game. See, now you know not to... Money Dash, now you know not to rush. Just take it slow. There's no reason to rush it. And, yes, go slow. Farah, did you do like the buy and sell orders before the NFP news? Because I think that's what people do. They like do max contracts, like a buy order then a sell order or something. Farah, that's crazy. Yeah, what a day, man. Yeah, it happens. But hey, you got a free account, man. That's a win. That's a win, man. Charming, it was down for me too. But it like worked like I think it worked after like 10, 11 o'clock. But yeah, it was down earlier in the morning. Charming. What's up, Prop Trader? Good morning, man. Yeah, it was down for a while. Skux Deluxe. Yeah, I mean, that's too many. Just be a little careful, especially when it's very volatile. Like, 2 minis is kind of a lot. For a 50K account, yeah. Rex, yeah, you could do that. You could just trade one at a time. There's nothing wrong with that. Especially if you only have 2 accounts. You don't have to copy trade them. You just trade one individually. There's nothing wrong with that. Nice, Farah. Yeah, I know that people pass those big accounts with news and other accounts. Because it's like so volatile. Like the wicks like fill you so quick. Yeah, because like the Apex stuff, 300K account, you gotta make 20 grand. Which is a lot. 20 grand is a lot, but that's good that you got it, Farah. Hey, Justin Ryan, thank you, man. Yeah. Yeah, 9 a.m. PST every day. Yeah, I tried going earlier yesterday and Monday. I kind of like this time slot better, honestly. I'm more awake too. And you can still see good, clean moves. Yeah, I kind of like this time slot, honestly. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Light, yeah. Yeah, we gotta get the money back set up. We're just trading extremely emotionally and revenge trading everything. It's literally like, I want my money back. Oh, man. $95? Yeah, 5. That's like 450 or something. Yeah, the activation fee is pretty expensive. Yeah, people love the Apex, but it's like, then you're paying like, what, $75, $95 per account on the activation fee, so it ends up being like the same as these other accounts from the other firms. So, yeah. Prop trader, yeah, it moves really quick. What was it, like 5:30 this morning? Yeah, right here. Yeah, this is a big rip up. All in. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, Skux Deluxe. Yeah, just gotta learn not to over leverage and stuff like that. Especially when it's moving pretty quick. Like, it's moving pretty quick today. Yeah, these are decent candles. Well, right now we're kind of forming a range again. Kind of coming up to the top here. Yeah, Far, it gets pretty expensive, especially you get 20 accounts. What would that be, like 5 grand? Yeah, like 5 grand for 20 accounts. With the 90% off sale, you can get it, what, 800, 4 grand maybe. Still expensive, honestly, but 20 accounts. I mean, one payout with 20 accounts would make it all up, honestly. So that's the thing with Apex, is that 20 accounts. That's why I only recommend them, guys, if you're, in my opinion, if you're trading like 10 to 20 accounts minimum. Like, if you're trading like 5, like, you can just go with other firms. Just my opinion. Less rules, it averages about to be the same price with the activation fees. Oh yeah, Charmin. Yeah, end of day drawdown is the best. I hate trailing drawdown. I hate trailing drawdown. It works against you. It's designed to make you fail, man. But that's the thing with these firms is, like with TakeProfitTrader, yeah, you have trailing drawdown, but once you hit it, the buffer, it stops, and then you can take daily payouts. So we bought these accounts knowing that they're trailing drawdown, right? So that's the takeaway with the trailing drawdown. It's harder to trade, but the daily payouts are nice. Same with the MyFundedFutures Rapid accounts. It's literally the same thing. And once you hit the buffer, it stops trailing. But then you could take payouts on day 1. Oh yeah, prop trader. Yeah, that would be exciting if you thought you passed. Shit. Yeah, I never tried that news strategy. How people pass with at the news. I never tried that, but I've seen people doing it. It seems like it works most of the time, but a lot of people blow accounts too, so you gotta be careful. Larry, yeah, it's good. $20, it's cheap, but then you're paying like, yeah, that $75 activation fee, so you're paying like $95 per account. Still adds up, but yeah, it's better when they have those 90% off sales. Because right now I think they only have 80, and then you're still paying like $40 for the cheaper accounts. And I think the bigger accounts, I think you're paying 80 each. Let me see. Yeah, you're paying $80 each. It's still kind of expensive. Or the bigger accounts, 150, 250, and 300K accounts. And there's a $95 activation fee. Yeah, I can add up pretty quick. Prop trader, yeah, they like do like those buy and sell orders, yeah. Like max contracts. What's up, Beyond Limits? Good morning, man. How's it going? Skux Deluxe. Right now we're kind of in a range right here. We're forming a range, so I have no idea. I don't like taking trades in the middle of a range, honestly, because it could go either way. So it's a little more risky. I'd rather like play the top of the range or the bottom of the range, and maybe a breakout out of the range. But in the middle of the range, I tend to stay out, honestly. It just you have a higher win rate if you could stay out of the middle of the range. Yeah, where are we going, everyone? Up, down, or chop? Up, down, chop. Up, down, or chop. Yeah, internet, and they come out to be the same price after the activation fees, cause like MyFundedFutures no activation fee, the TakeProfitTrader no activation fee, Tradeify Select no activation fee. I think the Lucids are also no activation fee. So you're saving a lot of money, and it ends up being the same price, and there's less rules. End of day drawdown, you can still make good money. Yeah, less rules too, less headache. You don't have to trade for 8 days. Yeah, it's pretty nice. What I like about Apex is you get 100% of your profits per account up to 25 grand, which is a lot of money. Because all the other firms are like 90 or 80-20 split, so it adds up too. But that's why I say, like, I only recommend trading Apex if you're trading like 10-20 accounts. If you're trading like under 10, I'd rather go to other firms, honestly. Just my opinion. Yeah, Tradeify, a lot of people sleep on Tradeify. I don't know why. They're pretty good. Yeah, we got 50% chop, guys. 50% chop, 25% up, 25% down. Well, because like right here, yeah, we had a big, massive sell-off, but then it made a big rip up, and now it's kind of forming a range. See, it's kind of like rejecting off this top area and bouncing off this bottom area, so it's kind of in the range. So right now it's kind of in the middle of it, and I don't like trading the middle of ranges. Yeah, prop trader, it's pretty expensive per account. So yeah, like the bigger accounts, I think you're probably gonna be paying like, yeah, you're paying $1,600 just for the challenges, not including the. That's if you pass on your first try, which is really hard with the trailing. So 1,600 plus 95 times 20. 1,600 times plus 95 times 20. So you're paying $3,500 if you pass on the first try with those Apex accounts. Yeah, it can get pretty pricey. But I mean, 20 accounts, if you get a payout on them, especially a max payout, I mean, it'll cover all of the expenses. That's the thing with Apex. 20 accounts, like with the 50K accounts, if you get a max payout on them with 20 accounts, that's 40 grand in the bank. That's pretty damn good. 40 racks, damn. Damn, I remember hitting those days on Apex. Those were fun. You just have like, it literally just like a fucking $40,000-$50,000 with deposit into your bank. Crazy. Yeah, internet, yeah, those are good firms. Tahuti, yeah. Yeah, if you trade Apex, yeah, I'd record yourself. Because you never know, they could be like, oh, hey, on January 17th or whatever, random, can we see a video of you recording or something? And it's like, dude, I don't fucking record myself. Oh, sorry, I don't know. So, that's why it's nice. Yeah, and he's one of the guys that got me into Apex. Him and Nutty Bar got me into Apex when I first started with propfirms, like before the YouTube channel. Yeah, before I started my YouTube channel like 2 years ago, I was watching their videos on Apex, and I was watching Matt pull out like 40 racks per payout, and I was like, damn, 20 accounts, 40 racks, that's a lot of money. And then Nutty Bar was doing like those like recaps of like the power of having 20 accounts and small numbers, and I was like, damn, this shit is kind of crazy. Then I started trading Apex, and we got good payouts with them. Oh yeah, you guys can't forget about an infinite payout prop. Alright, we're at the top of this range right here. I want to see if it rejects or breaks out finally. Yeah, infinite payout prop allows you guys 80 funded accounts. 80 funded accounts, guys. Okay, it looks like we're breaking out of here, which is nice. Infinite payout prop. Infinite payout prop. Instant activation fee, no consistency rule unfunded. Payouts on day one. 80 funded accounts. Low trades at the moment. Yeah, my only funded accounts right now, guys, are these accounts. But I got some accounts with Lucid. I'm trying to pass them. I got like 5 challenges going, and TradeDay. I'm copy trading those too. But my only funder are these accounts. I gotta get more funded. Fuck. I lost my damn alphas, bro. I tilted on like 3 days. I didn't follow my daily loss limit rule, guys. See, guys, it happens. You break your rules sometimes, man. It happens. It sucks. Just annoying. But you gotta live from it and move on. What's up, Tommy? No trades yet today. Fresh on Cloud 9, yeah. Yeah. It's crazy. Yeah, the video recordings, I think they're the only propfirm that I think does that. With that requests you a video recording. Kind of crazy. Video recordings. Yeah, like what if, because like majority of people don't record themselves trading. Like I do it because I do YouTube. So I pretty much record like most of my trades. Sometimes I don't record because I'm like, I don't really care. But like most of the time I am recording because of YouTube, especially the live streams. I mean, this is all live. Yeah, if I got with Apex, yeah, definitely got to trade them on the live. I feel like, bro, I traded these on live stream, live. It's fucking me. I don't know who you think I am. Yeah, Day. Yeah, brand new propfirm, 80 funded accounts. Payouts on day one with 80 funded accounts. Yeah. 80 funded accounts is crazy. Nice, internet. Yeah, are they sending out by mail? Probably. Or email. TakeProfitTrader sent me mine already. A week or two ago. Alright, we have a new 30-minute 9:30 candle and a minute 30, so we'll see. Yeah. Mail time. Does MyFundedFutures send it, or I think or is it Rise? Because they pay out with Rise if you take Rise. I think Rise sends you it. I think. All right, on Tommy. Yeah, because for 2024, Rise sent me the tax document for MyFundedFutures. Because all my payouts were through Rise. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Alright, new fireman in 6 seconds. Hey, right on, internet. Yeah, in 2024, I got my tax with MyFundedFutures through Rise, because all my payouts were through Rise. Hey, thank you, internet. No, these are our TakeProfitTrader. Left. Left nut. We're working on Lucid challenge though. We got a 5 flex. I think I made like 240, 280 yesterday on them. Small winning day. Prop trader maybe, but if they emailed you, maybe not. I'm not sure. I'm seeing how it's reacting on this top area. Because if it does continue long, I mean, this is a big gap. So like 100, over 100 points.
Order filled.
Try a long right here. Breaking out this top area range, so looking for a continuation long. And if we still continue long, this is a nice big gap. This is a nice RR. And if it comes back into the range, I do not want to be in it, and I want to get out of the trade. Points. 15 points. I want to see a nice break of these previous high of these candles for a continuation long. Yeah. 100 points champions. Champions. We gotta get the champion song going, but only if we earn it. We gotta earn it. We can't just play that song every day. We gotta earn that song. Then we get the champions going. And back to break even. Wanted to see it break the previous high of these candles. But I mean, I realistically wouldn't have sold there. 15 points in profit. Alright, new 5-minute. yeah. When we're over 50 points on a trade, then we can play the song. Yeah, we gotta earn it, guys. We gotta earn the song. Come on, champions. Let's go, champs. It's cool. The song is called Legend, so it kind of like works out. Legends. Come on, champions. Yeah, coming back down here, not liking that. Champions, yeah. Skunks, I'm long right now. At our peak, we're up 15 points, but it's coming back down here, so I'm not liking that. Arif, there's nothing wrong with it. I think it's pretty good, honestly. Like, a lot of really good traders use volume profile and like the order books and book map and stuff like that, and they do like very well in trading. And I think it would actually help my trading a lot, honestly, with my strategies. So I kind of want to learn it. So I never really learned it, honestly, so I can't speak on it from my experience. But I've seen a lot of good traders use it, and I wanna study it myself. Because it makes sense, because literally like the stock market, it's basically an auction, and you can see like the buyers and sellers and all the orders, so it makes sense. There are a lot of mumbo jumbo in this trade. We were up in profit right away, and then it came down to break even in drawdown. So a lot of funny business going on here. Yeah, too much funny business. Bro, you like those people that are like, oh, I'm gonna take a stab long here? Stab? Who came up with stab? Yeah, there's a lot of hesitation right here. That's what I'm not liking. If you guys know me, I hate it when price stalls. Yeah, Loki probably gonna get out of this trade too, and honestly, it's acting way too funny. Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm not liking that trade, honestly. At our peak, we're up 15 points right away, but then it just yeeted back down in the drawdown and just bouncing a lot right here. And it made a wick down into this range. So we're going to get out at a break even right there. I'm not liking it. Maybe. You guys think it's going up? All in. All in. Dabda, yeah, we had a big ass sell-off this morning. Pretty big move. We had a big rip up, and then just yeeted down. And, yeah, I don't know if this is coming back in the range, but I like the longs right here, but There's too much funny business right here. Yeah, Trump goes on the mic. Good morning. NASDAQ skyrockets. Imagine him and Jerome Powell going live at the same time. Oh, man. We all having all kinds of battles up here. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Boom. Yeah. I would have been what? I mean, I only have been 10 points in profit, honestly. It's nothing crazy. Nice, prop trader. 320. We could hit 320 if it breaks up here, yeah. Bruh. Salim, yeah. He does the dance and it just drops. He just tanks like 1,000 points. Bro, him and Trump, Jerome Powell and Trump, imagine they did like a boxing match. That'd be pretty funny. Up to you, prop trader. I don't know. It's actually a little funny up here. Yeah. Yeah, it's like they're fighting for it's like they're fighting for dominance, like whoever wins gets to control the 100% of the markets. Yeah. Yeah. Trump and Powell going crazy. Hey, they're in a fucking gulag. Yeah, they're in the gulag. Yeah, I know. Of course it starts popping up as soon as I get out. Whatever. I might peek I was at 15 points. But like I said, I would have never sold there for a full take profit. Because I have like a 15-point stop loss. So I'm looking to make at least 20, 30 on that trade. Yeah, maybe like a little bull flag. Guess it gets a bull flag. I never really traded the flags, so I can't really say on it. I don't know. It's kind of setting up. Yeah, so yeah, they're gonna have the champion song. Oh, that'd be hilarious. I have no idea, prop trader. I have no idea. Increase the odds. Yeah. Yeah, guys, in order to get the girls' attention, you gotta show them your certificate of funding, your certified funding. You're a certified funded trader. Especially with Top Step. It's gotta be Top Step. Increase the odds. You gotta go into the gym and like have it like plastered on around. Bro, no. That was the break that I was looking for. Fuck. Damn it. All good. Damn, that would have been 40 points, boys. Fuck. Yeah, wow. Fuck. I've noticed I've been getting in my trades at the wrong time. And then when I get in the trade, you kind of did some chicken shit, and I kind of chickened out, and I got out at break even. Keep jabbing, guys. Keep jabbing. Keep jabbing, guys. Yeah. You have in your arm right here, Top Step Funded Trader. And on your knuckles, it's like keep jabbing. You're like, keep jabbing, traders. Hey, what's your trading motto? Keep jabbing, brother. Oh, man. You have on your knuckles. Certified funded trader. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Yeah. Guys, do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? I'm a certified funded trader. My boss is Michael Patak. Do you know who that is? Do you know who my boss is? Michael Patak. Hey, did they really do a Super Bowl commercial? I think they did. I didn't see it. I was watching the Super Bowl, but I didn't see it. Top Step funded trader. Michael Patak. Yeah. What's up, Zach? Good morning, man. Yeah, I think they did do it. See, where are these pullbacks? We've been seeing a lot of like aggressive pullbacks. Like we see a big move in a direction and just like does like a big yeet and pulls back. That's why we're not entering on the breakouts. We're entering on the pullbacks. Yeah, I didn't see it either, but apparently they did. Top Step, Michael. Top Step apparently they did a Super Bowl commercial, but I didn't see it. I've been trying to look for it. I want to see it. Top Step, yeah. Certified funded trader. Prop trader, I thought about doing that. That'd be kind of sick. And like your payouts. OG Beats, going good. We just had a break-even trade. No regrets. Let's go, Zach. Great job, man. Congratulations, Zach. Yeah, get that funded account, brother. Top Step, yeah. Yeah, break-even is a win. Yeah. Pre-game commercial. Okay, that's probably why I didn't see it. Bro, if I was watching it live and I saw a Top Step commercial, I'd be like, what the fuck? Michael Patak? Top Step? Super Bowl? Before the Super Bowl. Got it, got it. No wonder why I didn't see it. I'd be getting hyped if I saw that live. I'd be like, oh shit. Bro, the prop firms are... Guys, I don't think the prop firm space is just going to keep growing and growing. Like, you guys know that guy, Brandon Carter, the fitness dude? The big ripped dude who's like bald? He was promoting Apex and trading with Apex and shit. I'm like, what the fuck? I was like, who would have thought, like, Brandon Carter trades and like, affiliated with Apex? It's, like, so random. Like, I know some fitness people are also trading with prop firms, which is very interesting. I think it's cool. I really do. It just means it's growing, the space. Yeah, Brandon Carter. I used to watch him a lot when I was younger. But I haven't watched him in a while. But then I found out he was trading Apex and shit. I'm like, Brandon Carter trading Apex? So random, but it's fucking sick. Yeah, Brandon. I used to watch him a lot in high school. Like, when I was on the fitness journey. I was like, it's so random, but it's fucking cool at the same time. I'm like, dude, trades too? Antonio, I just trade NQ. Yeah, print a certificate, guys. It's nice to see it. It shows your hard work. I gotta print mine, but I have no idea where to print. Hey, oh guys, I have one actually. Hold on. You guys see this? Guys, you guys see this? Certified funded trader. Right here, guys. Top Step, Michael Patak. Let's go. Certified funded trader. Should I just like put it right here? Bro, it's certified, guys. We are certified. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we should just like pin it on the fucking curtain. Certified funded trader, top step. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, very hard to get here, guys. Very hard. Certified. It's like, do you know who I am? I'm a certified funded trader. Michael Patak. Hey, guys. Keep jabbing. Keep jabbing, guys. Many years of hard work to get this, guys. If you guys want this, keep jabbing. One day at a time. Damn, December 26, 2023, I got my first funded account. That was crazy. Yeah, I'm kind of a big deal, guys. Like, I'm a certified funded trader. Do you know who my boss is? Michael Patak. Oh, man. Tommy, I don't think they're leaving, honestly. I think they're just going to keep growing. But if they do leave, yeah, I'll trade my own money. Yeah, kind of a big deal. You know who my boss is? Yeah, it's like those rich spoiled kids. They're always like, do you know who my dad is? And I'm like, do you know who my boss is, buddy? Michael Patak. Keep jabbing, brother. Hey, I got the certified funded account, but I never got a payout with it and I blew it. But hey, I'm a certified funded trader. I'm kind of a big deal. Oh, man. Yeah, I've had the account for 5 days, guys. No payouts, but hey, I got the certified funded certificate. That's all that matters. Oh my gosh. Yeah, do you guys see that short I posted last night? Like, you're part of the 0.00001%. And it shows Chad holding the Top Step certificate. I thought that was hilarious. You know. Do you guys know who you're dealing with here? Certified funded trader. It's like, whoa. No mames. Oh, man. Casinator. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Certified. Oh, man. Oh, I got the 5K Top Step hat. That was pretty sick. I got the pin and shit, too. Oh, that was the pin. What a pro. Professional. Guys, I'm a super pro. I'm a super professional. It's like, guys, I just full ported 2 days in a row. It's not that big of a... It's like, I'm kind of a big deal. Yeah, prop trader. Yeah, and they're all like the same... They're all like the same certificate. Like, from the same company. Just different dates because you keep loaning to accounts. I'm kind of a big deal, guys. Guys, I've been a certified funded trader for over 2 years now. Do you know who you're dealing with? Guys, I should be charging for these live streams because of, like, how certified I am. I could be certifying the live streams. Hey, before every live stream, you're like... You guys see this? Yeah, you guys see that? You guys want to be like me one day? Buy my course. Oh, guys, that'd be a good Chad video. It's like, if you want to be like me, and it shows like your certificate and the Chad, like, buy my course or something. Oh, man. So stupid, but it's funny. Well, we are still pushing long at the moment. We're making little pullbacks, so we shall see. I'm kind of a big deal. It's like you have this top set certificate, and then some guy does the same thing but with an Apex one, and you're like, hey buddy, you're not that guy. I'm a top step certified funded trader. Come on, buddy, you're not that guy, pal. Trust me, you're not that guy. It's like, whoa. Shiver me timbers. Well, it's retesting this area again. Yeah, I feel like I'd be a good actor on the ground, honestly. You guys see this? Yeah, guys, if you're confident in what you're saying, if you're confident in what you're saying and you look confident, you can literally look confident doing it and people believe you. Like, guys, if I had a freaking doctor lab coat on and I was telling you guys, like, health benefits and shit, some random dude on YouTube, I'm just a random dude, well, some people would believe me. They're like, oh, he's wearing a doctor outfit. And the background's like a doctor's office. I'm like, oh, yeah, blah, blah. If you walk 100,000 steps a day, you can have this and that and six-pack abs if you buy my course. It's like, relax. Hey, what are you doing? Huh? You want some water? Dude, sometimes the cat, I'll have a water right here and they freaking try to drink out of it. Gotta watch out. Oh yeah, guys. Fast track trading. I have a fast track trading certificate. Oh no, you know, it'd be funny if they bought an instant funded account and then they started flexing that certificate. Oh no, that'd be the worst. Hey. What the heck? He almost stepped on the power thing. Yeah, guys, 90% off with code Casinator. You can get a certified certificate. There's probably people out there that are freaking photoshopping that shit too. Pancho, come here. Back to funded certificate. Oh man, that would be the worst. It's like bro's flexing an instant paid account. Well, that was just a big dump. That's kind of random, honestly. Looks like we were making a bullish long, honestly, and then it just dumped like 60 points. Alright, we have a new hour and a minute 30, so I'm going to wait to see where this closes. Yeah, internet. 80 funded accounts, payouts on day one. And also internet, they're from the Fiji Islands. You can't forget their Fiji Islands. No, yeah, we had a massive dump this morning, guys, so then we kind of recovered, but it's just these big, you guys see these like big dumps? Just dumps. That's what it's kind of doing right now. But I want to see where this new hour candle closes. Yeah, internet. If your prop firm doesn't claw back your payout, like, are you really even trading? Are you even trading with a legitimate firm? Come on, guys. Lock in, twin. All right, we got a new hour. Well, we're kind of just chilling right here. This top of the range area. Very interesting. It could go either way. So I probably should just wait for confirmation, honestly.
Order filled.
Oh shit, that was a horrible fucking fill. That was a horrible fill. Dude, that was a horrible fill. Till I entered short right here and it filled me down here on that wick. Oh man. Oh man, this is bad. That was a horrible fill. Oh man, that was a bad fill. Looking for like a breakout short. And I entered right here and it filled me here on that wick. Damn. Instantly down 15 points. No, that was a horrible fill. Oh man.
Stop filled.
Wow, I got fucking wrecked on that trade. Holy crap. That was horrible. That was horrible. Damn, I lost 30 points on that trade. I would have had a 15-point stop, but that fill was horrible. Damn. Malik just trying to win, honestly, and then... yeah, just trying to get back, honestly. That was a... did you guys see that fill? I entered short right here, and it filled me at the bottom of this wick on that wick drop. I got it at the worst time right there. Damn. Yeah, I lost 30 points on that trade. Wow. Wow. I was instantly down like 15 points. Like, as soon as I entered. That was horrible. Yeah, I marked it in. That was bad. Whatever. Can't dwell on it. But that was a... oh my... I'm down to take one more trade. Because that would have been... if that didn't fill me so bad, I would have lost 15 points on that trade. But that was just a horrible timing. Yeah, it's whatever. Yeah, that was really bad. Bro, the market makers are watching my stream. Fuck. Prop trader, yeah. Yeah, with that volatility, man, yeah, 500 down right away, that's horrible. Oh my gosh. That was the worst fill I've gotten in a very, very long time. Like, very long time. Usually fills me, like, right where I enter in. Yeah. Stop filled. As soon as you enter, stop filled. Yeah, it's whatever. I took a short right on this line and it filled me on the bottom of that wick. Damn, that was 18 points. Fuck. FE. Order. Yeah, everyone on the stream says that, yeah. Order filled. Order filled. Wow. Oh yeah, prop trader. That stop field sounded the worst, and also when you blow the accounts or hit your daily loss limit, it's like ding. I don't know how. I forgot how the sound goes. Like ding. It's like a ding sound. Oh man, I hate that sound. The only sound I like, guys, is that order filled. The only thing I like. Yeah, that's why sometimes I refresh Tradovate. I don't know if that helps. But damn. Right on the internet. No, the shorts are working out. Dude, that's karma for doing the certified funded trader, guys. That's karma. Michael Patak, no. No. Dude, ProjectX is watching my stream, bro. They know. They know. They know. Yeah. Guys, of course when I got out that trade, it runs up in my favor. Whatever. Alright, I got going to the short. Fills me right here. And then goes in my favor. Come on. No manches. Yeah, Kev. Yeah. Order filled. But I think it's good for the stream. It gets you like, whoa, whoa. Asia high. Right on, Zach. FE long? Damn, we only have 7% voting down? We have 60% going up, 7% down, 29% chop. That's the lowest down has been. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, I think it's coming back down, honestly. And if it keeps falling short, this is a big, big push down. It's over 100 points right here. No, yeah, right here. No, mom is. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Be right back. Oh, I'm back. Right on, Pacer. Good job, man. Have a good one. Good job on making that comeback. I think we're still falling short at the moment. Yeah, Zach. Yep. I mean, we have a nice gap down to here, especially if it breaks down here. This is a nice gap to the 150s area. And if we break that, break this low, another big gap. Still like shorts. I'm just looking for an entry. We gotta do 5 minute, 15, and 30 seconds. No, mom is. 197. Thank you, Zach. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, if we break this, Zach, I think we're gonna make a nice gap down. We got a new 5-minute right here. Yeah, if we do continue, I mean, I still like shorts, but what I'm worried about is it like kind of like forming the range and then just like kind of like work its way up from the bottom of the range. Bruno, just like time and experience of what works out. Like my strategies are very simple. I don't have any complicated strategies. My risk management improved quite a bit the last 2 years. Like this year, it's a lot better than it was before, and I think that really helps a lot. But my strategies, I just keep it simple and what works for me. I started recently, like last year. I think I started adding breakouts, and I like them. But it's just what Bruno, just what works over time, and what doesn't work well, and then you refine it and retest it and do all that. Do your back testing, find out what works and what doesn't, and what you're good with. Like my strategy might not work for you, and then your strategy might not work for me, and vice versa for other people. Everyone's different. Yeah, that is a pullback. I'm just gotta be careful of it being a reversal, which is pretty aggressive green candle coming in right here. Not liking that for a short. Yeah, that's a big green candle. This is what I don't want, is it like respect the range and then come right back up. I would like shorts to play out and then fall down, but we can't force the market. We just gotta trade the market. Yeah, you can't force it. You just gotta trade it. You can't just tell NQ, hey, go down for me. You know, you just gotta trade it, and what it does, you gotta respect it. All good radio. You can still save the accounts from that 500, man. That 500 could save you, man. Just play it smart, radio. Doing good, Painter Day. How you doing, man? Glad to see you on the stream again. Coach Fred, what up, man? What's up, Fred? Yeah, this is a big green candle. Looks like it's respecting the range. But I would have never longed there. I would have never longed right there. Yeah, beyond Liz, we had a very interesting price action, especially yesterday. Yesterday was, a lot of people struggled yesterday. It was a pretty tough day for me too. Very tricky. Dob, take a nap, man. Take a nap. Power nap. Sometimes when I'm like really tired, I like taking a power nap, like 30 minutes to an hour. You feel pretty good after. You feel like awake, refocused. Well, right now we're kind of in the middle of the range again. We're right back in the middle. Sovereignty, yeah. Yeah, it's been tough for me too, not gonna lie. Yeah, this whole week has. Last week was banger for me, but this week is pretty a little more tougher. We're right, just the wrong freaking timing. And that's what I'm working on. Alright, new 5 minute. Nice, prop trader. Yeah, you guys can save accounts when they're on low drawdown. I've saved a funded account at $150, and I literally got it to break even in payout. That was one hell of a feeling. I literally was like, alright, this is it. It's done. Whatever. Took one last trade, and it was like a banger. I made like 20, 30 points with one mini. I'm like, okay, now I got like $600-$700 to work with, and it was like a winner. You guys can save them, man. You can get good on one trade. Real, yeah, we have better price action than yesterday, but still a little tricky. Right now we're kind of forming a range. We had a massive sell-off. We had a pump, then just a massive sell-off, and now we're kind of just forming a range. But there's like a very aggressive pullbacks yesterday and today. Very aggressive pullbacks. OG beats, yeah, only the 5 minute. Yeah, yesterday was really bad. I lost like 300, like 2 trades, and I'm like, nah, I am not dealing with this price action. And thank you guys for telling me that, because I probably would have took a bigger loss if I took another trade. Zach, yeah, you just gotta take good trades, good setups. Yeah, that's literally it. Just take a good trade, good setup, and whatever happens, happens. Damn, beats. That's crazy. Look at that massive swing, see? And you got it back to payout. Congratulations, beats. That must be a good feeling, man. That's a great feeling. Good job, man. Love to hear that. Faye, yeah, we had big pullbacks, man. Especially yesterday. Today and yesterday, we had big pullbacks. Like, we're going in a direction, and it just does a massive pullback. Yeah, Zach, this is 97. No, this candle is 60 points. Holy crap. Yeah, this is a 60-point candle, guys. This 1 5-minute green candle is 60 points. This green candle right here is 130 points. Yeah, we have a pretty aggressive pullbacks. Chance, yeah, it happens. Just knowing when to stop. I know that feeling when you're close to passing, you just want to get it done. I've done that, and then we should have just stopped, but it sucks. Just gotta learn from it and move on. I've done that numerous times where I'm like, all right, I can make an extra 500 and I'm done. Then I go on a losing streak and I'm like, damn, bro. Yeah, it's part of the game, guys. It's part of the game. Yeah, Zach. We've all been through there, man. Yeah, if you haven't done that at least once, you probably haven't traded enough, man. It happens to everyone. Just learning and recognizing from it and moving on. Like that last trade. Horrible fail, but I can't just be like pissed off, angry. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, blah, 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 blah. And then be all negative Nancy about it. Who cares? It's whatever. You just live from it and move on. Yeah, part of the game, guys. You can't accept a loss. You can't accept blowing an account. It's not. You can't trade. It's part of the game. You're gonna take losses. It's how you handle the losses. You gotta be the best loser, guys. The best loser. You can't do the I want my money back strat. Traders for life, yeah. Yeah, that is definitely the hardest time. Well, I mean, yeah, I'm like, because you're like, oh, I'm only $500 away. And guys, I've done it numerous times. I'm like, oh, I'm only $500. I can make that on one good trade and be done with it. And then you lose like 300 and you're like, okay, let me just get back to 500. Then you go on a losing streak, and then it literally all goes downhill from there. Yeah, you kind of gotta be like a robot, but everyone's human. But yeah, you gotta control your emotions, like no emotions. Huh. Yeah, Chance, you get used to it. Yeah, you're just like, whatever. And you're like, you tell yourself, not gonna happen again. And then next week you're in that same scenario and you're just like, oh shit, here we go again. Same thing. It's like the CJ from San Andreas. Oh shit, here we go again. Oh, that's funny meme. Yeah, Money Dash is just trying to rush it and the process. It's annoying. Yeah, right now we're kind of in the middle of the range again, so I have no idea where it wants to go. It could go either way. So that's why we're waiting. Yeah, Zach, we gotta be disciplined. Discipline. Can't be angry. Control your emotions. Be disciplined outside of trading. That's good, Zach. You work out outside of the gym. That's good, man. That's a great stepping stone, guys. Health is wealth. Working out, doing some type of exercise, just simply walking, a sport, whatever. This is a great foundation to being disciplined. If you're disciplined outside of trading, you're probably going to be undisciplined in trading. It's vice versa. Yeah, this is kind of the danger zone. Because I have no idea where it wants to go. Honestly, it could go either way. It could fall back short or it could fall back up. And it looks like it's making its way back up. That's the key word. It looks like. I have no idea. That's why I like playing the top and bottom of the ranges. And I try to stay out at the middle. Because it's uncertain. It's like I literally have no idea where it wants to go. My crystal ball is not working right now. So we're not going to take a trade. Yeah, our crystal ball, boys, is not working at the moment. It is out of service. Until the crystal ball is in service, then we can take a trade. Yeah, this is a big green candle coming in right here. Bro, it's raining right now. I like the rain when I'm trading. When it's like pouring rain and I'm inside drinking coffee in the morning and it's raining, it sounds kind of cool. I like the rain when I don't go outside, but when I'm going outside that day, I don't like the rain. But when I'm staying inside, I love the rain. Yeah, it sounds relaxing, especially when you hear it like hit the windows and stuff. Alright, we got the 10:30 candle in 45 seconds. 1 hour. This is the 4 hour. We're kind of right in the middle of the range, yeah. All right. Right here. New 5-minute, 30-minute candle. The fuck? I took a long right here on the last trade, on the first trade. I took a long at this, like, was it 70? 70 or 80. And then it started acting funny. I got out at break even, and then it ran up. So I'm seeing if it wants to go long still. Think we can keep pushing long, Zach? If it holds. Yeah, it's kind of coming down here now. Yeah, this is kind of tricky, honestly, if I'm being honest. A lot of pullbacks. Cam trades, and when you first get your funded account with TakeProfitTrader, yeah, I highly recommend getting your payouts. You know, it feels good getting your money back and get your profit, like how much you paid for the accounts back, your expenses, and hopefully some profit. And you profit on those accounts, and then and it feels good getting money in your bank account. It gets your confidence up in a good way, but be cautious. You don't want to get too cocky with it, right? But yeah, it feels good getting your payouts, and then yeah, lock in some of that, and then if you're happy with that profits that you've taken out, then you can slowly build a buffer if you want, Cam. Just my recommendation. But I always take payouts first. Always take payouts first. It feels good getting your money back. At least at bare minimum, get your like expenses back. Cause like I got like $6,000 in payouts with these accounts, but like for these accounts I paid like $510 for. So it's like on these accounts I profited like $5,500 already, which is pretty nice. Not bad. But yeah, we're on a losing streak right now, but it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. We can get it back, boys. I mean, I saved these accounts from 800. At my peak, I was down at 800 at pretty much this balance, like 3 weeks ago. Then I got it back to payout. Oh, we could definitely save them. Nice internet. Yeah, good job, man. Yeah, always get your payouts. Get some payouts first, and then you can scale and build a buffer. Yeah, Cam, if you can get a payout right now, take the payout, brother. You'll feel good. Feels good, man. Get that payout, get it in the bank, get your money back, and hopefully some profit, and then yeah, you can go from there. And then until you're happy, then you can like scale and grow it. Like I was low-key thinking about getting like 10 grand in payouts with these accounts, so like 4 grand more, and then slowly build a buffer. Like take half my profits out and slowly build a buffer. That was my plan, but I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Still debating.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm going to try a long right here. Push up long. Only going to risk 10 points. Go, go, go. We need a win. We need a win. But it's like, I can't be like getting my winners out at 10, 15 points profit. Yeah, it adds up. But like my losers are 10, 15 points. So it's like, I don't know. Sometimes it's okay to stack 10-point winners and 15-pointers. They add up too. But it's like, you know what I'm saying? If I'm having 10, 15 point stop losses and my winners are only 10, 15 points, I don't know. You gotta have a lot of winners. Damn, NQ doing me dirty lately, bro. Doing me dirty. Yeah, guys. Just because you have that money in the ProfFirm account does not mean it's your money yet. Unless you withdraw it and pay it out to your bank or whatever, then it's real money. That's real money. That's what you guys gotta do. It's hard getting there, but if you do can get a payout, get the payouts. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, I'll take the 10 points now. I don't care. I'll take the 10-point profit. Go up. Yep. Oh yeah, Cam, it happens to a lot of people. We try to get a bigger payout, we try to build a buffer, and we had a payout locked in. There was numerous times I had a freaking payout locked in, and all I had to do was stop. I literally just had to stop and walk away. But greed and everything and all that got to the best of me, and it happens to like a lot of traders. So yeah, and yeah, there is nothing more tilting than having a payout locked in and then blowing the account. Oh man, that is so freaking tilting, because you're just like, dude, what happened? That's a massive swing in the wrong direction. Yeah, because think about it, if you take a $2,000 payout and then you end up losing that payout and blowing the accounts, then you gotta do the challenges again. That's like a 2,500 $3,000 swing in the wrong direction. Probably more, because you gotta make in the challenge like $3,000 on the 50K accounts. Imagine you made that $3,000 on your funded. Dude, that could be like a $3,000 payout depending on the prop firm. So that's a massive swing in the wrong direction, just because you didn't take that payout. Think about it. Thank you, brother. Stop fucking me. Just go. Thank you.
Order filled.
I'm sure
Order filled
because it is acting way too funny, and it keeps pulling back. Like, I go in profit and then it freaking needs back up to me. So that's why I'm trimming 2 at 15 points. And if it wants to keep ripping, we still have 3 micros in. Alright, 20 points. Nice. Let's see this break. Continuation long. Break. Go up. Go up. Nah.
Order filled.
It can reject here and come back it down. That was like a small 15-point trader. I'll take it, especially at that loss. Guys, if you missed that one trade, literally entered short right here, and then it filled me at the bottom of the wick, and I was instantly down like 15, 18 points. and then ran out and stopped me out at 30 points. Fuck. But it's okay, guys. You can't dwell on it. Where are we, y'all? Yeah, be honest. Yeah, it happens. It happens. Yeah, Cam, especially if you're really thinking about taking that payout and you're like, nah, I'm going to build a buffer, or, no. Think about it. Would you be pissed off if you had a $1,000 payout locked in and you blow the account? I'd be pretty annoyed myself. So it's like, maybe I should just take the payout. And Cam, if it's a TakeProfitTrader, you can trade them tomorrow. Yeah, you got that payout locked in, man. Just lock it in. And then if you profit again tomorrow, you got another payout. That's what I love about TakeProfitTrader. So, yeah, lock it in, Cam. Good job, man. Lock it in. Hit that X in the corner right there. Faye, no, you do not get charged monthly anymore. Yeah, Internet, we got a little money back. Try and get my lick back. Con, if it's your first time trading or you're new to trading, I highly recommend micros, man. I would not go for a mini. When I first started trading, I went straight into minis, and I don't recommend it. Start with micros. Now I'm trading micros. There's nothing wrong with micros. Micros are great, guys. Because it's nice, because when you have like 10 micros compared to one mini,
order filled.
You could trim. Alright, we're just going to scalp a dalp. We're just going to scalp a dalp. 10-point stop. Looking for another push up to here. That'll be a nice 20-point scalp. Yeah, that'll be... These 20-point trades actually add up. Kokochi, we're down like 170 bucks, I think, after that last trade. So we had a break even, a loss, a really bad loss, and then a win. Small win. Yep. Dan, metals? I don't know I don't know when they will. Other firms restricted metals. Oh yeah. Yeah, guys, also like Internet. When we're like, oh, I only have a $970 payout locked in. Let me just trade for an extra 30 bucks so I get an even $1,000. It's like, why? It's 30 fucking dollars. And then you're like, you're not happy when you don't make that 30 bucks. Oh man, I've been there too. Especially on challenges, guys. Challenges are the worst. Because the challenges, you're just trying to get them done and force it and be done with it. So they're just pretty annoying. Money back, go. This is a nice full exit right here. Damn you, NQ. Damn you. Con, I start at 9 a.m. PST. I think I'm just going to stick with 9 a.m. PST for now, guys. Maybe in the future, I'll start it earlier. But I kind of like this time slot. And then I'm not like too tired, you know. Because when you stream for like 3-4 hours, you get tired, man. And you're trading at the same time. It uses a lot of brain power. Yeah. Guys, try live streaming for 3-4 hours. Like talking and like doing this. I'm not complaining. I love the live streams. But I'm just saying, like, try live streaming and then like talking for 4 hours while trading at the same time. It gets kind of tiring, I'm not going to lie. That's why I always have like water and try to eat food before. So it keeps me like awake and active. And coffee. 2 cups of coffee. So Georgina, good morning, man. Good morning. Or good night, wherever you are. You're in Morocco, right? That's sick. Thank you for watching, Georgina. Yep, yeah, Internet. It's a hard learning lesson, but it's definitely worth it. Kokochi, yeah, it can get pretty tiring, yeah. So I think the 2 hours is pretty solid. So I'm not like entirely drained. And it's like a good time slot for me because it gives me time, like 2 hours to wake up and eat and drink water and coffee. So I'm kind of more awake. Because at 7:30, I'm like less than an hour awake and I'm still tired. All right, new 5-minute right here.
Order filled.
12-point trade. Yeah, like 15-point trade the first trade, then 12-point winner on the last one. So we're getting our money back. Small scalps right now. I noticed when I've been trying to hold my winners now lately, it goes in my favor like 10-15 points and then just comes back and stops me out. And if you think about it, those are like 20-30 point swings in the wrong direction. So little base hits add up. I mean, 10-15 points is nothing crazy, but they add up. Let's go, Georgina. Let's go. Dabda, I used to did a little market open trading, and it did okay. I'd have winning days, I'd have losing days, but I realized it was like really fast. Like, and sometimes I would be right, but it was just moving so fast that it would stop me out. So it's kind of, I don't know, I kind of like this time zone, honestly. Increase the odds, man. You're gonna be pulling hella tang, bro. Hella tang. All the ladies would love that. They're like, oh my god, do you see that guy right there? He's a top step funded trader. You're like, yeah, that's right, buddy. You see this? You see this? Top step funded trader. Oh man. Yeah, he's in. Yeah, nice, quick, long, small winning trade. Let's go. What's up, Eddie? Good morning. Good morning. That's crazy. Well, right now it's kind of forming an area. It's bouncing right here and then rejecting off here. So, I mean, this is like a 20, 25 point range. Eddie, I only have these 5 funded right now. Yeah, guys, in 2024, I had like so many more payouts locked in, like with MyFundedFutures. Oh, dude, MyFundedFutures in 2024, guys, I had like 7 grand on each account, $7,000 on each account on 3 expert accounts. I fucking blew it on one day. I was so tilted, guys. I literally had a 15 grand payout locked in, $15,000, and I blew it in one day. I was so pissed off. I was like, never again. Man, I was so heated. I was like, what the heck, Casey? All you had to do was stop. And then you ended up blowing 7 grand on each account. I was copy trading them. I had a $5,000 payout locked in on each account, 3 accounts. I was so pissed. Yeah, it's kind of playing out this little small range. It's a small range, but I mean, these scalps add up. 10, 20 points. They add up. Yeah, 2024 was a great year. Very great year. Very great year. Eddie, I'm at like 6 grand in payouts, so okay. Going slow. After the fees, yeah, we're at 6 grand. A little over 6. So slow and steady. I gotta get more funded accounts with other firms so I can start trading those. But these are only funded right now. I'm just taking it slow. But I definitely want to get more funded. Definitely. Right now I'm just copy trading these 5 500 at a time. I only recommend if you're ready to scale, man, honestly. So if you're like ready for copy trading and you're like used to the swings, then I would only recommend copy trading. Because if you're a beginner, I highly recommend not copy trading. Just literally start with one account if you're just starting out, man. Honestly, I only recommend it if you got at least a payout or two before, and then you can use that money that you got from the payouts to hopefully cover expenses and buy more accounts with that. And then you can slowly scale like that. I don't recommend any beginner to. Wow! Did you guys see that? Hey, I'm gonna have a new merch. Did you guys just see that? Did you guys just see that? That was just like a 40-point dump. Well, that stopped out a lot of people in longs right there. If I was in a long, I got stopped out right there. Shit. That was a massive dump. 50K, damn, Eddie. Fuck. Just ain't right. Yeah, I like the pro accounts. But the rapid and flex accounts, there is nothing wrong with them. They're good, actually. Especially like the flex. They're basically like the core accounts. They're still good. You can get good payouts with them, honestly. The pro accounts are good if you want like bigger, larger payouts and like more freedom. Oh man. Yeah, it's not worth the revenge trading. Yeah, Georgina, it was 100% a lesson. Yeah. Not a loss, guys. It was a lesson. That was money I didn't deserve at the time. Yeah, Dan, it's all good, man. It's part of the game. Part of the game, man. Eddie, maybe like 40 funded at my highest. 50, maybe. No, maybe like 30, 40. I don't know the exact number, but it was definitely over 30. Maybe around 40. I don't know the exact number. But yeah, I had like 20 Apex, 5 TakeProfitTrader, and like a bunch of other firms. So that was like 25 just off those two firms. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Celine, that was a massive dump. Anthony, it's just trusting the process, believing that you can get it out. Like, there's numerous times where I'm on losing streaks. Like, right now I'm on like a 3-4 day losing streak, but I'm still taking the good trades. I know that money will come. I know I have a profitable system over a long time. It's just dealing with the losing streaks and learning to slow down, size down. You can size down when you're on a losing streak. And then when you feel more confident, you're starting to win again, then you can maybe slowly scale up again, you know? Just taking it slow, Anthony, and not forcing and rushing it. A lot of people do, and then I used to do, is like when you're on a losing streak, you freak out and then you over leverage to try to get the money back, and then you end up blowing more accounts, and then it spirals out of control, and then it's just a big mess. You don't want to get there. Well, that was just a massive 40-point dump, and then the buyers just bought it right back up, right off this bounce area, and then we took 2 bounce trades right here. Small scalps, but they add up. Sub Discipline Future Trader, what's up, man? Ooh, yeah, you guys gotta get the infinite payout prop. 80 funded accounts, payouts on day 1. Hey, no payout caps. No payout caps, no consistency rule. I'm here with infinite payout prop. Just requested $1 million on this normal Tuesday. It's like, get the fuck out of here. Earn to Trade, Georgina? I've heard of them, but I've never traded with them, really. I know they're an older prop firm, but I never really understood their plans, honestly, to earn to trade plans. I never really understood them. Like, the other firms, they're just, like, so simple, and, like, I understand, okay, here's a profit target, that. I know the payouts, payout caps, blah, blah, blah. With them, it's a little confusing for me. No problem, Anthony. Wish you the best, as always, as well. God bless. 80 funded accounts is crazy. Alright, we got a new 5 minute in 20 seconds, and then we have a new 4 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute in 5 minutes, 15 seconds. Wow, that was a big tongue twister. I mean, the fact that we're only down $50 on the day compared to that one freaking loss, guys. Because on that one trade where I got filled and I was down 18 points right away, I would have normally had a 15-point stop. So, whatever. So, I mean, the fact that we got most of the loss back is not bad. If I take another trade and it's a loss, automatically done for the day. Automatically done. Shut it off. You're done, kid. Go back to the gulag. You're not that guy today. Today's not your day. But if it's a win, that would be nice. Try FFF. Funded Futures Family? No. No, the whole thing with Danny and stuff and how he was like part of it and then how Jay Dunn was part of it and he left randomly. I don't know. It was kind of weird for me. I don't know. I never traded with them, so I can't say from personal experience. So, but off of those two guys and all that, I don't know. It's kind of a weird situation. Dan, honestly, whatever the market gives me, because in 2025, Dan, I tried to get more than $300,000 in payouts, and then I fucked myself and got down lower and ended up only getting like $7,000 in payouts. So in 2024, I was not expecting anything. I would just trade good, and whatever the market gave me, and I ended up getting $300,000 in payouts 2024. So we're kind of going with that mindset this year. Like I'm at $6,000 in payouts so far this year. So we're pretty much gonna pass 2025 pretty soon. Hopefully, we're only like $1,200 away. Knock on wood. So that's pretty good. So we're definitely gonna beat 2025. But yeah, same thing mindset this year. Whatever the market gives me, just trade good and be disciplined. And whatever I get from payouts and stuff is up to the markets and universe and how I trade and all that. Damn, guys, I had an extra $80,000 locked in 2024 too. It would have been $380,000 in payouts if Fast Track didn't deny my payout and do me dirty, and then Apex with that $50,000 payout. Fuck, bro, that would have been $380,000. Whatever. Whatever. Like I said, guys, you can't dwell on it. You gotta live from it and move on. Oh, right on, Georgina. You might have to look for them in the future. $150 for 150K. That's a good price. Nice, Georgina. All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutes till that bell. Damn. Yeah, that is an area of interest, Zach. Yeah, good amount. After the fees, I got a good profit, really good profit. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 4-hour, 1-hour candle to close, guys. Oh, yes. All right, 6 seconds. Not a lot of movement. Yeah, this is a nice bounce area we were playing off of, actually. This is a good area, this 255, 256 area. That was a good bounce area. Doing good, Georgina. Glad that you're doing well as well. We're only down 50 bucks. That's nothing. Especially after that second trade, man. That was horrible, Phil. And the fact that we got back the losses from that trade is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, 50 bucks, guys. That's nothing. That's 5 points, bro. With 5 micros. $255, 56. Yeah, that was a big bounce area, Faye. And that's where we're playing bounce trades off of. So, I mean, if it comes down, this might be a good bounce trade again, maybe. Yeah, we're coming right back down here. Damn. Steve, yeah. Try sizing down, Steve, because you said, what, you're trading like 4 minis? That's really high, man. That's a lot of minis. If you go on a losing streak with those, you go through the counts pretty quick. But, I mean, Steve, you got some good payouts, right? You got like 6 grand in payouts or something, right? So that's good, man. Still got 6 grand in payouts. What's up, Shino fan? Yeah, doing well, doing good, man. Hope you're doing well as well. Dan, I'm only trading 5 funded at the moment. I only got 5 funded right now, so I'm copy trading the 5 right here in the Tradovate. It's a free trade copier. Dan, you could trade if you're trading 1 prop firm at a time, you could use the free one on Tradovate. It's free. It works fine for me. If you want to copy trade multiple firms, you can do Tradesyncer. You need like a third-party service or something. If you want to trade like multiple firms. Thank you, Georgina. Thank you for always staying positive, man. It means a lot. Thank you. Nice, Steve. Yeah, 22 grand in payout, Steve. That's great. That's a great weight on the year. 22 racks. That's still good, man. Yeah, Steve. Nice. Yeah, keep getting payouts. Prop firms are nice, man, because the leverage to money is insane. The risk to reward is nice. Yeah, guys, like, where else are you gonna find like a legitimate business that's not like super entirely risky and not illegal to like 10-20x your money? Like, where else can you find that? It's so hard, right? Like, guys, I paid $500 for these accounts and I got 6 grand in payouts and they're still alive. That's 11x profit. And they're still alive. Alright, new 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Looks like it's coming back into the range right here. We're kind of just like rejecting off this area and kind of like making like a double top kind of. And bouncing right here. Let's go. Let's go, Georgina. Let's go. Alright, new 5 minute. Yeah, Dan, you can start. Prop firms are great leverage, honestly. Like, you could get a 50K account for $100. You got 2K to work with. That's great leverage, honestly. Yes, it is indeed quite exceptional today. Faye, I love that. I love the Giga Chad. That's the funniest dude. Gotta love that guy. So positive, man. Great guy. Great guy. Pips, they're a good firm. They pay out really quick. They're great. You get big payouts with them. They pay out really fast. They have good plans. They're good pips. Drain bows. No, I'm doing trading and the YouTube as my job now. Honestly, right now. But guys, when I first started trading, remember in 2024, I was doing the shoe business still. I was still doing that a lot, and I had a buffer from that, and I got a lot of payouts in 2024. Yeah, Pips, the payouts are really fast with MyFundedFutures. You get them pretty quick. They're a good firm. I want to see it come down to this area, see how it reacts to this 255 area again. We're doing some nice bounce trades. Thank you, Internet. God bless you, man. Thank you, man. Code Casinator at checkout. Alright, well, it's coming back up here. Yeah, I think you get like 50% off if you're a brand new user with Lucid, and then the rest, you get like 5 uses for 40% off, and then the rest of the accounts is 30% off, so pretty good. 40% off, no activation fee. Yeah. Thank you, Drain Bows. Appreciate you, man. Thank you, man. It means a lot. Thank you. I'm down to take one more trade if I see a good setup, because that second trade fucked me. But if I don't see a setup, I'm happy to call it a $50 loss. That's nothing. Yeah, my fun. Do you guys see these dumps? Where are these dumps? So volatile. Yeah, MyFundedFutures is 50% off on the pro account if you're a new user, and then 30% off, and then 20% off the rapid plans. I think the flex accounts, they don't have a discount at the moment though. But I think it's still priced well. Priced okay. Dude, that was just a massive dump again. You guys see, it like dumps in this area and then just bounces up. Look, it bounced right off this area right here. Again. Yeah, it literally tapping this area. This is where we're taking bounce trades, guys. It's just so scary doing a long right there off a big wick. It's like pretty scary, honestly. Off a volatile wick like that. But it literally bounced right off it again. Daily day trade. Thank you for tuning in, man. Yeah, I'm trading 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. PST, Monday through Friday. 80 trades. You gotta stop out. Yeah, it's a little choppy at the moment, but you can trade it good if you see if you play it correctly. Like a bounce trade right here would have been nice. Yeah, I tapped 22, yeah, 25 right here. 255, 256 area. Yeah, we should just have buy orders right here. Fuck it. No. Yep. I mean, these would have worked out perfectly. That's a nice 1 to 2 RR. 1 to 3. Risking 10 points to make 20, 30. I haven't done these buy and sell orders in a while. I usually just do market, but I used to do this type of trading a lot, guys. Because if I used to be like really hesitant when I first started trading, so I would literally just do buy and sell orders, and it would just fill me, so I don't have to enter the trade. It's already there at my level. Yeah, I literally tapped it and then ripped out 20 points right away off a big dump. Big dump right here and big dump right here. Pause. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold on now. Hold on. Well, now it's popping right back up here. Daily day trades, I trade both. I do breakouts, break and retest, bounce trades, and going with the trend. I do that all with price action and levels. Like right here, I'm looking for a bounce. But I don't know if it'll come back here again. Like, I mean, it's up 40 points from it right there. Yeah. Order filled. Stop filled. You're like, fuck. It might reject here again, honestly. I don't know. It rejected off here quite a few times. It's kind of playing ping pong in this range. So I'll be on tomorrow. We took 4 trades. We're down $50, nothing crazy. We're basically break even. We were down 300 on one trade. It was so bad. Well, now it's just ripping. Damn. Nah, this is crazy. Yeah, we need a soundboard. Have a great day, Zach. Thank you for tuning in, man. As always, have a great day, brother. I'll see you tomorrow. Well, very interesting trading day. That would have been a 60-point trade. Alright guys, I'll probably call it in like 4 or 5 minutes. Not seeing a whole lot right here. It's acting kind of funny. And yeah, so first trade, break even. Second trade, we got a horrible fill, kind of just bad timing, bad luck. And as soon as we entered, we were down 18 points. Then it stopped me out at 30 points, whatever. And then we took 2 little bounce plays, like 10, 15 point trades, and we got back most of the losses. So we're only down $50 on a day. So that's literally nothing. So yeah, we're only down $50 on the day. John Cena. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, so I'll probably end the stream at 11:20, guys. So if you guys got any questions or comments, let me know. I'll trade with you guys till then. But most likely not going to take another trade. I'm not seeing anything right now. I like bounce areas right here, but we're kind of far from that now. Beyond tomorrow, I'm just going to stick with the 9 a.m. start time, 9 a.m. PST. I tried going earlier on Monday and Tuesday this week, but I kind of like this time slot better, honestly. Yeah, right on, internet. Appreciate you, brother, as always. Yeah, not a bad day, honestly. The fact that we managed our losses back, we got like most of our losses back from that second trade. I mean, I'll take it, honestly. We're only down $50. That's nothing. That's 5 points on 5 micros. 5-point trade. Oh, yes. Alright, guys. I'm thinking I'll call it here. Yeah, nothing, anything. And the fact that we're only down $50 on that today, that's not bad. Basically break even. So, just going to call it right here. And yeah, so everyone, I hope you guys have an awesome, blessed, amazing day. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. Hopefully we can get some momentum going on these accounts. And yeah, so peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. Thanks for all watching as always. And yeah, I stream every day at Monday through Friday, guys, 9 a.m. PST start time. So peace. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.